Hi, I'm Andy Cook, ES STEM and Innovation Coach at ASB. Today with grade 3, we are simulating jumps on different planets. So we've been learning a little bit about surface gravity of the different objects in our solar system. And we know the surface gravity on Earth is 1g. So in coding video game numbers, that's equal to about 300. So we are calculating the surface gravity for each planet or object in our solar system, and we're giving it a value, and we're plugging it in to our character in our game. So this way the kids can explore jumping on different planets and compare jumping on, say, Pluto to the moon or to Earth or to Mercury. And this is pretty easy. It's a Makecode arcade, drag and drop, and you can look up the surface gravities on Wikipedia, and the kids are already looking at surface gravities for other objects. So pretty fun. Try it out.